Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard factory reset on your OYIB wireless Bluetooth earbud headsets. If you're having any issues with only one of the earbuds connecting, maybe only getting sound out of the left or the right ear, or them connecting to the wrong device, or any kind of connection issues like that, they won't stay connected, or just sound problems, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues, and it's very easy to do. So the first thing you want to do is just to go into your phone or whatever devices you use it on and turn the Bluetooth off, and then delete the device delete these earbuds from the list of paired known devices. And then once you do that, you're going to come on your headphones, and on both of them you're going to tap the back where the touch control part. You're going to tap it 5 times on both of them simultaneously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once you do that those 5 times, you can put them back in the case, close the case, open the case up again, and then go through your pairing process new with your reset earbuds.